Hey second grade, this video is for page 274 in the Your Turn practice book. And today we're going to be reading this story about an Antarctic team. And it's about a group of people on a team and their job is to explore the Antarctic, which is pretty exciting. At the end, we're going to write down 2 details that we learned. You can use the same one as me or any detail in the story will work. And we'll also write down the main idea, or what was the main point of this passage. All right, let's get started. Remember, you're welcome to read out loud at home, or if you want to quietly follow along, that is fine too. An Antarctic team. Teams of people explore places all over the globe. Why do they work in teams? Each person has a special skill that help out the whole team. The Antarctic is an incredible place to explore. Each year, teams travel there to study the region. Each team member has an important job to do. One of the first jobs is to set up a research station or base camp. This is where people live and work and set off on field trips. Some team members construct the camp's buildings. People can reach the camp by air. Pilots fly planes and helicopters. They transport people and equipment to the camp. Next page. There's a picture. The caption under the picture says, "A plane flies team members home from the camp." Let's keep reading. Scientists work as part of the team to learn more about the Antarctic. Each scientist conducts a different project. Some study the animal and plant life. Some study the climate and weather. Some study the glaciers. Other team members take care of buildings and vehicles. Some people inspect the camp's electricity system to make sure it's working. Some people fix broken equipment. A doctor and a nurse take care of sick team members. There are firefighters who work to prevent fires. Exploring the Antarctic is not a job for one person. A whole team must be involved, and each team member must do the job he or she knows best. All right, take a look at the question page. The first 2 questions ask for one detail from the passage. That can be any fact we read. The last question asks for the main idea of the passage, or what was it mostly about? Now, let's think. What's one detail that you read in the passage? You might say, people travel to study Antarctica. All right, now we need to list another key detail from the passage for number 2. You can choose any other fact that we learned. You might write that people live in a base camp. All right, the last question asks, what is the main idea? That means, what is it all about? Now, sometimes we find the main idea at the end of a story summed up for us. Let's read the very last paragraph. It says, exploring the Antarctic is not a job for one person. A whole team must be involved, and each team member must do the job he or she knows best. So, what's the main idea? about it takes a team to explore the Antarctic. It takes a team to explore the Antarctic. All right, pause here to see all of the answers on your screen to give you more time to copy down. Nice work today, second grade. Today we read about exploring Antarctica. It was an expository text, and the theme was that it takes a team.